Hello guys, welcome to the Kids Event channel. Today you will learn drawing and coloring. Of course you like this picture, don't you? This image is very easy to create. You can try it at home or at school with friends. It will definitely be fun. Kids Event will provide easy and fun drawing tutorials. Before watching it, please subscribe and like the video, so you will get even more exciting videos for free. Let's start.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. But mother will catch you, cradle and all. Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back, the cradle she swings. Though baby sleeps, he hears what she sings.